All right, I just woke up. I am getting the Jello shots ready and making coffee at the same time. About to go on the boat today. So, yeah. I can't decide if I want to wear the hat or not, though. What do you think? Hat or no hat?
The hat is very cute.
Does it throw it off, though?
No, because there's a little bit of orange in the dress.
But, oh, does it throw it off in the sense of, like, why are you wearing a dress with a hat?
Nope, not to me.
And catch!
Not to me, my beautiful wife.
Spent the whole day in my head. Do a little spring cleaning. I'm always too busy dreaming. Well, maybe I should wake up instead.
Definitely a little bit overcast right now.
I just say I forget.
But
Can it just be easy? Why does everybody need me to stay? Oh, I hate the feeling when you're high but you're underneath the ceiling. Got the cards in my hand, I hate dealing. Everything I need and I'm gone, but it ain't stealing. Can I get a break? I wish that I could just.
I don't know if y'all can hear me, but that sea lion had a fishing line wrapped around him and was stuck at the top of the surface because he couldn't move because he was wrapped up in a fishing line. So we called like a marine rescue number, and they basically said that there was nothing that they could do unless it comes to shore, pretty much, and we don't have a knife or anything on us to help him, so we just had to leave. But my heart's broken, and I really wish that we had something to like help the little guy, but it is like a wild ocean animal, so I don't know, it's just kind of risky, but I'm so sad. Poor little guy. Hopefully somebody with the proper tools passes by him and can help him, because that was really, really freaking sad to see.
What's the difference when it ain't that bad? It could always be worse.
It's a birthday beanie. It's a birthday beanie. Angel. Oh, Luke came to say happy birthday too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We're gonna go on the biggest walk, beanie. It's your birthday, beanie. So since it is Mr. Beans over here's birthday, we are taking him back to the beach and going on a little walk. We're gonna get him a pup cup, let him pick out a few toys.
Oh yeah, true, yeah.
He is a big 5-year-old today. We got him 2 years ago. So, stop. He just is chilling on my arm.
This is how he has to travel in the car, otherwise he'll throw up, he'll freak out.
Anxious, all the above. But yeah, so about to go do that.
Yeah, well, this mad world that made me crazy. Might just turn around, do 180. I ain't politicking, I ain't kissing no babies. The devil on my doorstep being so shady. Don't trip. We don't gotta let him in. Don't trip. Yeah. I let it go, but I never go with it. Yeah, okay, cool as fall weather. Fuck the bullshit, I'm here to make it all better with a little music for you. I don't do enough for you. Without you, it's the color blue. Oh, don't trip. I was in the city, they was talking that shit. Had the homies with me, all of a sudden they split. We ain't even worried, we just laughing at
I look like the,
you know how it goes, it ain't broke, don't fix.
With my braids. But now we're back grilling with some friends and just just gonna vibe out for a little bit.
Think I lost my mind. Reality so hard to find. When the devil tryna call your line, but shit, I always shine. Even when the light dim. No, I ain't God, but I'm feeling just like him. Oh, don't trip. See, I was in the whip riding me and my bitch. We was listening to us, no one else. That's it.
Beans, his dog food. We got chicken, corn, green beans. He's eating good. Where's he at? Here he is. About to eat so good. These look so good. I'm sick. Alright guys, I am on my way to a hair appointment in Hollywood. I stopped filming for like 2 days just because I literally did nothing for the remainder of my days off other than watch Vanderpump and eat. So no need to film that. But yeah, now I am going to go get my hair done. So this is also day 2 of my juice cleanse. I cheated a little bit yesterday because I started to get a headache because I needed food. So I ordered like a mango goat cheese like healthy salad. But other than that, I just drank juice. I'm gonna try to only drink juice today. I might get like a little snack. I'm just really, every time I get these juices to do a juice cleanse, I never do it. I just get hungry and eat. So I'm really, really trying to do it this time. So we'll see how it goes.
This is gonna feel real good, alright? Most dope. Everybody please put a thumb in the air.
Right, I just got my hair done, obviously. And picked up Takaya because the juice cleanse is not happening today. I am starving after getting my hair done. So I'm headed back now to Austin with a little food and we're gonna hang out. That car needs to get fixed. And hang out a little bit and eat and enjoy this beautiful day. Made it home with the Takaya. Beans really wants some, but
Not for beans. It was not for me.
Thanks, honey.
so I definitely forgot to end the vlog the other day, but this is the end of A Week in My Life Part 2. If you can't tell, I was really feeling Mac Miller for this vlog, but yeah, hope y'all liked it and I will see y'all next week.